Hello everyone, hope you're all good. And so today I have got another new fan. And now as you can see, it's another Dunelm fan. This is a Dunelm 4-inch copper USB desk fan. Now another one of my family members got this fan for me. So I got this fan from a family member. So they bought it for me and I got it off them yesterday. One of my other family members went to see them. They gave it to that family member and then that family member gave it to me yesterday. So that's basically the story. It's a very short story. So another one bought from a family member, which is very kind of them. Plus it helps with the clearance, because obviously summer is ended now. So I want to get rid of the fans and then people keep them for next summer. I recently bought another fan from Dunelm. Dunelm's 8-inch clock desk fan in grey and chrome. I bought recently. And so let's have a look at the features of it. So it's got one feature listed here. It's got tilt adjustment. It's got some other features just here. So it's USB powered, it's adjustable, it has adjustable angle, it has non-slip rubber feet and copper effect. So here's the side of the box. Pause to read that if you like. It's just some of the other features it's got. They're basically all the same features. And so just the back there, got some details. I hope you enjoyed the video of when we unboxed the Dunelm clock fan. Yep, that's all out the box. I'll just put it to one side for now. And so basically, again, it's just another basic fan, but I like it. And this particular one I did actually want, and hopefully next summer I'll get the other two colours, because I do a pink one, because I just like that sort of colour sometimes, because I'm the sort of person that I'm the sort of fan collector that likes to get fans all by the same brand and in different colours. So I'll probably get the pink one. I'll probably also get the silver one as well, which they'll call chrome, and they're pink, and as I said, their pink one I want as well. And so let's get it out of the box. So I've got my scissors, and so just get it out of the box. It's all sellotaped just up here. So I received this fan yesterday. So apologies I didn't do the video yesterday, because I was sort of quite busy yesterday. I was quite busy yesterday. So just do it from this side for a sec. Just try and help it open a little bit. These boxes are sometimes quite tricky to open, unfortunately. But still, you get there in the end. I might be able to just prise it open now. Yeah, I can prise it open now, so I don't need my scissors anymore. Might be able to just tear it from the side there. Anyway, so that's the box open. So yeah, so I'll just put the box to one side. We've got the instruction manual as well, so there it is inside the bag. And here's the manual for it. That looks pretty good. Here's all the details. Pause to read if you like. Again, all looks pretty decent. Just look at the other pages. Got more pages than the last USB fan unboxed. Yes, it looks quite nice. Yes, anyway, so it looks pretty decent. So yeah, so not bad. Got good guidance, I must admit. And then the rest of that is just blank, it's got nothing. That manual I shall keep. So anyway, so looks real good. So if you'll excuse me for a sec, I'll just get it out the bag. There we go, I can now unwrap it. Just pop the bag back in the box. So yeah, so that looks pretty good. And it's also still got the mains cord tied up with it. Oh, they nearly fell over there. Got your little on-off switch. On, off. You got your little rating sticker there as well. Pause to read that if you like. Yeah, so it looks pretty good. So yeah, so so anyway, so don't think there's really much else to do. So I've got one of my adapters with me. So I'll just unravel the cord and then we can switch it on. Hold on a sec, I'll just have a look, see if I'm doing it the right way. Yes, I am. Oh, one more round, and there we go, it's out. That can actually just go back in the box. I was about to put it on my table, but now it can just go back in the box. So just stretch that out. So yeah, so let's just connect it up to here. Wait, sorry, wrong way. So yeah, so I'll just plug it into my extension lead here. Anyways, yeah, so actually I'll just make sure those rubber feet are at the correct position. Yep, it's perfect, so let's run it. Now that runs beautifully. I can feel that on my legs. There's a nice little airflow. So yeah, so it's pretty good. Nice little breeze from there, so I'll just switch it off, watch the spin down. These tend to have very quick spin down. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video of looking at my new Dunelm 4-inch copper USB desk fan. Sorry, I had to look at the box so I remember what description it had. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see ya.